Not sure if anybody can, if you can hear this, but I have no idea what it is. The light's on, but the light switch is not on. I'm not sure if there's like an alarm or something. I'm most likely just gonna have to pull the battery terminal off, but as you can see, like, the light switch is on, the thing is off, but the lights are on. Yeah, and the light is still on. I have no idea. So the car starts now. I'm not sure what happened. I just put the battery tender on. The lights aren't on anymore. I really don't know. Maybe it's just a fluke. Whatever. Have the battery tender, so I'll leave this thing running. I'll show you guys the parts because I don't remember if I showed them or not. I'm not exactly sure what of these I need, but I have the front control arm bushings with garagistic. I think it's 80A bushings. Same thing as the rears, so the street version. Control arms and tie rod, the front, like the inner and outer tie rods. I don't think I need the control arms and stuff like that, but they came in a set, so I just got it all together. And then I bought these from FCP Euro and the bushings from Garagistic. So we have everything for the front end. We're hoping it doesn't need a steering rack. I don't believe it does, because it does turn fine and it doesn't hesitate. It doesn't feel like it's skipping or anything like that. I don't really feel like any play in the steering rack, so I do believe that the steering rack itself is fine, and it's just the bushings deflecting because they're the normal stock version. So what we are most likely going to do is go to backdoor tire in a little while, get those stuff put on, get the car aligned, and then finish the tune maybe this weekend, but I don't know if the weather is going to permit. If it does, cool. If it doesn't, cool. We'll just get it done when we can. But yeah, some water drip down through the hood onto the header, but yeah. I have no idea. I'm gonna look and check the wires for the headlights and stuff just to see like it's not touching anything, and then I'm gonna drive the car around the block a couple times, and then yeah, I don't know. I'll get you guys in the next clip, whatever that is. The shop ended up being closed. I believe he's on vacation. Yeah, so the video will be continued this weekend. I'm gonna have one of my boys do it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record. I'll probably see if he'll record some and throw it up on his YouTube channel. If he does, I'll link the video. But for now, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get back to you guys in the next one, which will probably be in a couple days. Peace.